台灣話第4課之2。伊會庇護我。
Sign of possessive case. Is placed between the possessor and the thing, person possessed. What is possessed may be expressed or understood. If it is not expressed, it does not change tone.
這是我的錢，不是伊的。
Note that it changes tone if followed by the thing possessed.
予
To give.
我的冊予你看。阿明、阿爺。
Is a prefix to one of the given names of a person, either to the second or third character of his name or to his nickname. Usually indicates some degree of familiarity, but may always be used with young children, even upon meeting for the first time.
食飽啊，來坐。
Sign of the perfect tense, also used as exclamation and for other uses.
伊來啊。
Note, tone on a, see the 137 rule.
伊是去台北，是無？是啊。來。
To come.
伊來台中讀冊。來坐。
Come in and sit down.
來坐
equals come sit. This expression, very common as a greeting, may be spoken not only to a visitor to a house, shop, office, but to anyone passing by, and can be spoken not only by the owner but by a guest already in the house, shop, office. To answer this invitation we say,
好
even if we continue on our way.
好
Here means okay, good. Though it is usually not necessary, a simple excuse can be given for not entering to sit. Words of excuse we will study later. Contrast these three expressions.
來坐
Spoken to one outside a room, building, by a person in the position of a host.
請坐
Spoken to one already in the room, by one in the position of the host.
閣來坐
Spoken by the host to one, who is taking leave of the host.
你的字有寫未？我猶未寫。字
Character, word, letter.
你在寫字，是無？猶未，猶未，
Not yet.
伊猶未來，我猶未食飯。我也猶未寫，你要寫無？呀，嘛，啊，
Also, to, either, even.
伊要去，我也要去。伊無要去，我嘛無要去。伊要去，我也無要去。
Note that
啊
meaning even, is in the second clause.
話要
To wish, want, will.
你要啉茶無？
Do you want some tea?
你要去台北無？
Are you going to Taipei?
好，咱來寫。你要用什麼筆寫？
All right, let's write them. What writing instrument art you going to use? NB. Taiwanese frequently prefers to say, going to use to write, going to use for writing.
用
To use, to spend, with.
你要用什麼寫？
What will you write with?
寫會
What, anything. Synonymous with.
什麼
Note that
寫
and the
寫
of
寫會
are not the same word or tone.
你在講啥？你在講啥？
What are you saying? What are you talking about?
什麼人？什麼人？啥人？
Who? Whom? Anyone?
這是什麼人的冊？
Whose book is this?
恁學生啥人要去台北？
Which one of you students is going to Taipei? Or, who among you students are going to Taipei?
筆
Writing instrument.
這是什麼人的筆？
Whose pen is this?
寫
To write.
寫字
Characters, to write.
你在寫什麼？
What are you writing?
我要用萬年筆寫。你咧？
I'm going to write with a fountain pen. How about yourself?
萬年筆
Fountain pen. Lit, 10,000 years pen.
万年筆。近代的な万年筆が日本に入ってきたのは1884年で、横浜の万代印商会が輸入し、当時は後半部分がほぼ英名の直訳である針先線筆と呼ばれており、万年筆と命名したのは、1884年に日本初の国産万年筆を模索した大野徳三郎と言われている。
咧。
A sound, at the end of a sentence, that can have interrogative or other meanings.
你先生咧？
Where is your husband?
伊去台北啊？
He has gone to Taipei.
你的錢咧？
Where is your money? Asking a child where the money is that you gave him.
我無愛用萬年筆，我要用圓珠筆寫。
I don't want to use a fountain pen, I'm going to write with a ballpoint pen.
圓珠筆
Ballpoint pen. Lit, atomic pen. Early Bic advertisements in France referred to the cristal as the atomic pen.
香港立丰把原子筆從美國輸入香港時，因為當時原子這個語詞具有高新科技的意象，所以取名原子筆，代表創新。 突破性的尖端书写技术。另一说认为，当初命名时为圆珠笔，有人读成原子笔，后来逐渐演变成原子笔。鉛筆
pencil,
鉛筆、
學生愛用鉛筆寫字。
students must use a pencil to write with. This is true of elementary school.
恁老師是台北的人，是無？
Your teacher is from Taipei, isn't he? Lit. Your teacher is a Taipei man, isn't he?
台北
Taipei, capital of Taiwan.
毋是，伊是台中人，因太太是台北人。
No, he's from Taichung. His wife is from Taipei.
台中
Taichung, name of city in central part of Taiwan.
太太
Wife, Mrs.
伊是啥物人的太太？
Whose wife is she? Note the two ways of saying Taipei man.
台北的人，台北人。恁老師因太太在創啥？
What does your teacher's wife do?
在
Sign of the progressive form of the following verb can refer to past, present, or future. Can also indicate habitual action.
伊在創啥？伊在寫字。
What is he doing? He is writing.
創
To do. Mostly used in the expressions what is, are, subject, doing, and not doing anything.
伊在創啥？伊在寫字。伊無在創啥？
What is he doing? He is writing characters. He's not doing anything.
伊嘛在做老師。
She's a teacher too.
做
Serve as.
做
Has many other meanings and uses which will be studied later.
伊在做啥物？
What is he doing?
我在做神父。
I am a priest.
阿明，我愛去台中，你要去無？
I have to go to Taichung.
阿明，
Do you want to go?
去
To go.
伊去台北。
He went to Taipei.
我，你去。再見。
No, you go ahead. I don't want to go. So long.
嗯，
To be unwilling, not want, as response, no, equals I am unwilling.
你要去無？我唔去。
Are you going? No, I don't want to go.